introductory product range. What's the difference between the shampoos and conditioners? So basically the shampoos have got the same base. This is our normal dry base. We've also got a base for oily. They contain 7 surfactants. They're the surface cleaning agents. So they're the bubbling agents that lift the oil and grease and wash them away for you. So you always want gentle, high, large moleculed surfactants. And with those we've added in conditioning agents. So things like oat protein, which is going to strengthen the hair cuticle, panthenol, which is going to give you the volume, hydration and shine, a silicone plant-based alternative, so sort of dealing with frizz and humidity control. And to those we've added plant-derived scents. So we've got orange, which really smells like orange peel, very appealing to families. It's a nice cleaning bar, quite light. We've got Herbal bar, which is with 6 oils, so sort of citrus mint. They contain rosemary and bergamot, which is good for hair growth, and rosemary is good for dandruff. Then we've got Botanical, which is also popular because it's sort of lavender, geranium-patchouli, not too lavendery. And then we've got Woodland, which has got sort of musky scent, vetiver, patchouli, cedarwood. So those I'd say were slightly heavier than the other bars because of those oils. So if you have quite thick hair, that's the one to go for if you like a musky scent as well. Moving on to the conditioners, they are cationic ingredients. So they will close the hair shaft and give you that nice sheen and shine after washing your hair with the shampoo bars. They are 50% benzene methosulfate, which is the best detangling ingredient in the world, and we have it custom made without palm oil. And to those we've added some really nice salon ingredients. We've got cetrimonium chloride, which is good for static and hair protection for hair dryers and things. We've got the oat protein and pro-vitamin B5 again. And then we've got vegetable keratin and the natural scents. There's not so much difference between using the conditioner bars, and you can look at our how-to video on that. I would just say that the Woodland again is slightly heavier.